Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Today let's make some egg noodles. It's my great-grandmother's recipe, and she taught my mother as a kid, and my mother taught me. And today I'd like to share it with you. So to start, we have our 4 cups of flour, we have 1 cup of milk, 6 whole eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a teaspoon of salt. The first thing we want to do is incorporate the salt and the flour together. So we'll just pour that in there. I like to take a fork and just kind of gently mix it in, fluff it up a little bit. That way it's well incorporated. We just want to go ahead and pour that straight in. Okay, got that done. And I'm going to give just a quick little mix to these eggs just to break up the yolks and the whites just a little bit. Great, everything's ready to go. Let's mix up our dough ball. So the dough ball was a little wet, and what I did is I've been starting to add about a tablespoon of flour at a time to it to get to the right consistency. Now I've got to be careful because we're really close on having the right consistency. We just needed a little more flour worked in. We'll pull it out of the flour to work it. Your dough should feel really soft in your hand. There we go. Great, so now I've got the dough ball made. Gonna give it a 20-minute rest while it's wrapped in plastic. Gonna come back and we're gonna cut some noodles. So since we just cut these, there's a raw edge that's open and they need to be tossed with flour. Sometimes I just do it right on the counter, but I think this time, because it's still sticking some, I'm going to go ahead and just use a bowl, sprinkle some flour on the cut pieces, get them in here, toss them together, then finish cutting and do the same with those. So you just want to kind of fluff them up, pull them apart before they get to sticking too much to each other. Alright, well, all of our noodles are made. It's been a lot of fun sharing this recipe with you today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. I will include the recipe and all directions in the description area. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Have a great day.